Most people buying tactical gear online waste money on stuff that looks cool in photos and breaks in the field. That stops today. I've put together 20 military-grade gadgets that actually deliver when it matters. Tested, trusted, and available right now on Amazon. Hit subscribe so you never miss a list like this. Let's get into it. Number 20. Blue Force Gear Form Belt. Your gun belt sagging or twisting throughout the day is more than annoying. It's a safety issue. The Blue Force Gear Form Belt fixes that. Built with a stiffened thermoplastic core and closed-cell neoprene lining, this 1.5-inch belt features a 32-degree anatomic curve that fits your waist naturally from day one. No break-in needed. The removable brushed nickel buckle swaps without tools, and the neoprene lining prevents shifting all day. Imagine never adjusting your carry setup again from morning to night. Civilians and off-duty officers will love this equally. Trade-off: it's a premium price for a premium product. Your carry deserves a foundation this solid. Number 19. Rōnin Assaulter Chest Rack. Carrying a chest rig that shifts during movement is dangerous, not just uncomfortable. The Rōnin Assaulter Chest Rack locks everything in place at 10.5 by 27 inches with 6 harness adjustment points. It comes with 4 removable 5.56mm inserts and full mole compatibility. Swap to 7.629mm or shotgun inserts in seconds. Imagine stripping down to exactly what a long patrol requires. Nothing extra, nothing missing. Hunters and serious preppers will get real use from this. Trade-off: the matching plate carrier is still coming soon. Made in the USA and built to perform. Number 118. Garmont Tactical T8 LE 2.0. Long shifts destroy your feet when your boots weren't built for them. The Garmont Tactical T8 LE 2.0 changes that. These 8-inch boots weigh just 500 grams per half pair. Built from 1.8mm full-grain leather with a dual-density injected sole and ADD anatomic technology for real shock absorption. A side zipper and Velcro quick strap mean fast on and off in rapid response situations. Imagine finishing a 12-hour shift and your feet still feel manageable. EMS and law enforcement professionals will appreciate the uniform-compliant polishable leather. Trade-off: leather requires regular maintenance. Comfort and durability in one boot. Number 17. Vortex Ace Ballistic Weather Meter. Guessing the wind at distance is how you waste ammo and miss targets. The Vortex Ace Weather Meter gives you real numbers right now. Onboard sensors measure wind speed, temperature, pressure, and humidity. An integrated compass and inclinometer capture wind direction and angle. 10 customizable ballistic profiles feed the built-in geo-ballistic solver for live wind and drop solutions. Imagine dialing a 600-yard shot in changing wind and getting it right the first time. Long-range hunters and competition shooters will rely on this daily. Trade-off: works best paired with a nearby phone for full app integration. Made in the USA. Zero excuses for a miss. Number 16. IDOGEAR Sports G3 Combat Pants. Cheap tactical pants rip at the knees and fade after a few washes, and that gets expensive fast. The IDOGEAR G3 Combat Pants are built differently. A 50-50 cotton polyester blend with Teflon coating resists water, oil, and dirt. Removable, adjustable knee pads follow the natural curve of your joint for genuine protection without bulk. Imagine kneeling on rough concrete or rocky ground all day and feeling protected throughout. Paintball players, hikers, and construction workers will all get daily use from these. Trade-off: sizing runs one size smaller than US standard, so check the chart. Solid pants at a price worth restocking. It only gets better from here. Wait until you Number 15. Streamlight TLR-3X. Slim handgun owners have been stuck without a proper weapon light option for too long. The Streamlight TLR-3X was built to fix that. It delivers 500 lumens and 6500 candela with a 161-meter beam, runs 1.5 hours on high, and is IPX7 waterproof. Purpose-built for the Glock 43X MOS, 48 MOS, 43X Rail, 48 Rail, FN Reflex, and FN Reflex XL. Imagine working a low-light environment with your compact carry gun and having a light that performs like a full-size duty setup. Concealed carry civilians and plainclothes officers will love this. Trade-off: compatibility is limited to those specific models only. Small gun, serious light. Number 14. North American Rescue RU M-FAK. When a traumatic wound happens, seconds determine outcomes, and a buried kit costs you those seconds. The NAR RU M-FAK gives you one-handed tourniquet access from the front pouch in an instant. Inside, a CAT tourniquet, vent chest seals, and a 4-inch flat emergency trauma dressing. Mounts vertically via molle or horizontally on a 3-inch belt loop. Imagine treating a penetrating wound in the field without digging through a bag. Hunters, hikers, and prepared civilians should all carry one. Trade-off: advanced responders may want to supplement the contents. This is the kit you hope you never need. Number 13. Ops Core Fast SF Helmet. A heavy helmet that shifts under load becomes a hazard, not protection. The Ops Core Fast SF Gen 2 weighs just 1.23 pounds in size large, while stopping 9mm FMJ at 1400 feet per second. The lockdown liner uses moisture-wicking fabric, reticulated foam, and a cable dial for a fully customizable fit. The Headlock Flex chin strap converts from under to over chin without a mask extender. Imagine running full NVG and comms under fire with a helmet that never shifts or overheats. This is the USSOCOM trusted FTHS system. Trade-off: this is a serious investment. When your head is on the line, do not compromise. Number 12. Savotta Kantamus 40L. A pack that collapses under real load over long distances will end your mission early. The Savotta Kantamus 40L won't. It holds 40 liters in the main roll closure compartment, adds a floating lid with 2 zip pockets, and a large flat front compartment. Dimensions are 30 by 60 by 22 centimeters at 2.4 kilograms. Savotta has built packs for the Finnish Defense Forces for decades. This isn't range day cosplay gear. Imagine a multi-day patrol where your kit stays organized and accessible every single time. Bushcrafters and long-range hunters will love this. Trade-off: 2.4 kilogram empty isn't the lightest option available. Built to last a career. Number 11. Atwood Tactical Rope Dispenser. Digging through your kit and untangling paracord mid-task wastes time you don't always have. The Atwood Tactical Rope Dispenser solves that completely. Pre-loaded with 50 feet of 550-pound tensile 7-strand nylon paracord. It includes a built-in cutting blade, belt clip, cord grip, viewport, integrated rail, and ruler. Pull what you need, cut it clean, and the rest stays tangle-free on the spool. Imagine needing 3 feet of cord right now and having it clipped to your belt ready to go. Hunters, campers, and preppers will reach for this daily. Trade-off: 50 feet goes fast on heavy rigging tasks. Made in the USA by a special operations paratrooper. Still here? Good, because this next one is one of my favorites on the entire list. Number 10. NEXTORCH Pioneer MT20. Carrying a multi-tool missing the features you actually need is pointless weight. The NEXTORCH Pioneer MT20 packs 14 functions into 268 grams, needle nose pliers, nylon handcuff scissors, wire cutters, hard wire cutters, saw, cutting hook, glass breaker, bottle opener, oxygen bottle wrench, ruler, back clip, and a universal handcuff key in the red version. Imagine a first responder scenario where you cut a seatbelt, break a window, and deploy restraints with one tool. Law enforcement and security professionals will find the ELEO-specific features genuinely useful. Trade-off: some functions are compact versions, not full-size. Stone-washed finish. Always clipped, always ready. Number 9. Marathon Navigator Nav-D. A watch that needs charging or drifts under pressure is a liability in the field. The Marathon Navigator NAV-D eliminates both problems. The 41mm Serra shell case houses an ETA heavy drive quartz movement accurate to -0.2 to +0.5 seconds daily. Sapphire crystal, 6 ATM water resistance, and tritium gas tubes on every hour marker, and both hands. Permanently self-illuminating, no light source required. Imagine sitting in a darkened aircraft needing to time a critical moment. The Navigator was literally developed with Kelly Air Force Base for exactly that. Pilots, hunters, and serious watch enthusiasts will all want this. Trade-off: Serrashell feels different than full steel. Swiss-made, built since 1986 to be trusted with lives. Number 8. ELECOM NESTOUT Power Bank. Running out of battery in the field when your devices matter most is an operational failure, not just an inconvenience. The ELECOM NESTOUT Power Bank keeps you going. 15,000 mAh capacity, 32-watt USB-C power delivery fast charging, IP67 waterproof to 1 meter, and a hard shell tested to US military standard MIL STD 8010G drop specs. Smart power delivery auto-allocates energy based on each device's requirements. Imagine a 72-hour camping trip where every device stays charged through rain and rough handling. Hikers, photographers, and field workers will rely on this. Trade-off: tripod and accessory lights are sold separately. If Design Gold Award winner, off-grid doesn't mean off-power. Number 7. SOG Throwing Death Cards. Most novelty throwing tools look interesting in the box and fall apart the moment you actually use them. The SOG Throwing Death Cards are built from 2.7mm thick 3CR stainless steel with real edge retention and wear resistance. At 3.46 inches and 2.70 ounces, they come with a nylon sheath for clean storage and carry. Inspired by cards used by US Special Forces in Vietnam, the history behind these adds genuine character. Imagine throwing sessions in the backyard that double as a conversation piece every time someone spots them. Collectors and throwing enthusiasts will appreciate the quality. Trade-off: these are throwing implements, not combat blades. Cool history. Real steel. Number 6. Spiritus Systems 34 Alpha Chest Rig. A chest rig loaded with pouches you don't need on today's mission is dead weight slowing you down. The Spiritus Systems 34 Alpha is a true blank slate platform. Each panel features 6 moly columns on the front and internal elastic cells at 3 widths, fitting pistol mags up to 7.62 rifle magazines. Sliding Fastex buckles allow single-handed opening for prone positions. Imagine building a rig that weighs only what your mission demands and nothing more. Hunters, competitive shooters, and prepared civilians can all configure this to their exact needs. Trade-off: pouches are sold separately, so budget for them. Configure it your way. That's the entire point. Number 5. HWI Gear Next Generation Knee Pad. One hard impact on concrete or rock without proper protection can sideline you for days. Your knees deserve better. The HWI Gear Next Generation Knee Pad uses a STPA thermoplastic cap over high-density foam and heavy-duty nylon for real impact absorption, puncture resistance, and water resistance. Quick-release straps make them fast on and off. Thousands of law enforcement and military professionals rely on HWI for a reason. Imagine crawling through a structure or going prone on gravel and feeling genuinely covered. Construction workers, mechanics, and hunters will get daily use from these. Trade-off: the STPA cap adds some bulk. Your knees have to last a lifetime. Protect them like it. Number 4. Gerber Downrange Tomahawk. Packing a single-purpose tool that can't adapt when your situation changes is a waste of limited space. The Gerber Downrange Tomahawk pulls 3 duties in one. Made in the USA from 420 HC steel with a Cerakote corrosion-resistant finish, it combines a beveled axe head, hammerhead, and integrated pry bar in one compact breaching tool. The MALA-compatible sheath attaches to any pack or body armor. Imagine a vehicle breach, a stuck door, or a camp build where one tool handles everything. Hunters, soldiers, and serious preppers will reach for this constantly. Trade-off: heavier than a dedicated hatchet, so it earns its weight through versatility. Backed by the Gerber guarantee. Number 3. Streetwise Pain Pen Stun Gun. Walking through an unfamiliar area or a dark parking lot without any self-defense tool is an unnecessary risk. The Streetwise Pain Pen delivers 25,000 volts in a package that looks exactly like a regular pen. Compact enough for any pocket or purse, it clips securely with a durable metal clip and charges via micro USB. A battery indicator tells you exactly when you need to recharge. Imagine a deterrent powerful enough that even a test fire stops a threat before any physical contact happens. Students, commuters, and travelers will carry this daily. Trade-off: requires close range, so awareness still matters. Lifetime warranty included. Small package, serious stopping power. Number 2. Vortex Optics Impact 4000 Rangefinder. Estimating distance and hoping your holdover is close enough is not precision shooting, it's guessing. The Vortex Impact 4000 mounts directly to your rail and feeds you accurate corrections from your shooting position. Onboard sensors track humidity, barometric pressure, temperature, and compass bearing. Wind-bearing capture mode locks wind direction regardless of which way you're facing. Integrated Geo-Ballistic Solver delivers corrected holds before you settle in. Imagine a 1,000-yard shot in variable wind where your rangefinder does the math before you pull the trigger. Long-range hunters and PRS competitors will rely on this. Trade-off: stores only one range card, limiting for multi-platform shooters. Watertight, shockproof, VIP lifetime warranty. Number 1. Helikon-Tex LanRay Shooting Pro Glasses. Most people treat eye protection as an afterthought, right up until they catch a fragment or a branch at speed. Your eyes do not get a second chance. The Helikon-Tex LanRay Shooting Pro set includes 3 UV 400 polycarbonate lenses, clear, smoke, and amber, covering every lighting condition from bright sun to a dim indoor range. Anti-fog, scratch-resistant, hydrophobic, and oleophobic coatings keep your vision clear during intense action. Certified to EN 166 and ANSI Z87.1+ ballistic standards. Imagine swapping one lens between an outdoor and indoor range without skipping a beat. Hunters, airsoft players, and motorcyclists will all use this kit. Trade-off: 3 lenses means you need a good case to stay organized. Protect your eyes like they matter. Because they do. That's 20 of the best tactical gadgets on Amazon right now. Every link is in the description below. Go check them out. Drop a comment telling me which one you'd grab first. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a list like this. See you in the next one.